Hi friends, welcome to the video series on Git. In the last video, we saw what is version control and why to use version control systems. In this video, we will get some basic introduction to Git. Git was developed in 2005 by Linus Torvalds, the creator of Linux operating system. The developers of Linux kernel used a commercial distributed version control system called Bitkeeper. When the free license was revoked by the company that owns Bitkeeper, Linus Torvalds developed Git along with other community developers. Git offers simplicity along with speed. It is fully distributed and you can work with several branches at same time. It can handle projects of any size and suitable even for complex projects like Linux kernel. If you are switching to Git from other version control systems, you will see that the user interface and workflow looks almost same. But there are some differences on how Git works. Let's see some of the features of Git. Number 1. Snapshots. Git deals with files in a different way. This is a major difference when compared to any other version control systems. All version control systems except Git keeps track of the files and delta changes that you make over time. But every time you make changes to your file in Git, it basically takes a snapshot of your files at that moment and stores a reference to that snapshot. For Git, snapshot matters and not that delta changes. Number 2. In other version control systems, you must be connected to the remote servers and every action involves network traffic. In tools like Perforce, you cannot commit your changes when you are offline. But in Git, all actions are done locally and even when offline. You can later push your changes to the server when you get online. You can get all file changes history from your local repository in a fraction of a second. Third, Git uses checksums to track the file content. It internally uses SHA-1 hashing mechanism for checksumming. The checksum hash key is a 40-character hexadecimal string and it is calculated based on the contents of your file or directory structure. When you make changes to your file content, the hash value changes, you can easily track the changes. This means that Git cannot miss any changes. Next we will see an important section. In Git, a file can be in 3 different states. When you modify a file, the state changes to modified state. Then the file goes to staged mode when you mark the file for saving in your local repository. And when you save the staged files, it goes to committed stage. Based on these states, we can say that Git workflow involves 3 steps. First, you modify the files and folders in your project directory. Second, you stage the modified files which will create a snapshot. Third, you do a commit which will permanently save the snapshot to your local repository. With this information, we can start working with Git. In the next video, we will see how to install Git and use the command line interface. Please share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.